a Japanese laundry method that amazes with its effectiveness. See why ordinary laundry will never be the same again. For this, you'll need a drying rack. Start by hanging the longest clothes. Place them on the edges of the rack, on both sides. Then move each following item gradually toward the center, leaving enough space between them. Notice how each piece closer to the center is smaller. Larger clothes stay on the outside, and there's an important reason for that. Keep hanging until you reach the middle, where the smallest items go. Your drying rack should look just like this. Why is this Japanese method so effective? Because the laundry dries much faster. A curve forms in the middle, which supports the drying process. Warm air from the room gathers there, speeding up evaporation. This method not only saves you time, but also makes your laundry dry evenly and smell fresh. Just one simple trick can make daily chores so much easier. I have a trick for drying clothes quickly in winter, and it keeps my home free of excess moisture. When I need to wear wet clothes, I use the burrito method. When hanging wet clothes on a drying rack, I pay attention to one crucial detail that most people overlook. Clothes should be spaced out to allow free airflow between them. This significantly speeds up the drying process. If I need a freshly washed item dried quickly, I use the burrito method. Lay a wet shirt on a towel, roll it up tightly, and press firmly from the center outward to absorb moisture. As shown in the video, leave the rolled towel for a few minutes, then unroll it. Next, I iron the shirt, starting on the inside and, if the fabric allows, on the outside. This helps evaporate the last traces of water. For collars or thick seams, I use a hairdryer for extra drying. By combining these three methods, my clothes are dry in less than 20 minutes, and I don't need a tumble dryer at home. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add two. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective. Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing. But here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space-saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way. A genius hack you should know. Put a hairdryer into a hole cut in a cardboard box. Hang your wet clothes inside on a rod, leaving space between each item. Close the box at the top. The warm air will start circulating inside. Your clothes will dry quickly. It's a simple alternative to a tumble dryer that can save you money, especially in winter. I have a trick for drying clothes quickly in winter, and it keeps my home free of excess moisture. When I need to wear wet clothes, I use the burrito method. When hanging wet clothes on a drying rack, I pay attention to one crucial detail that most people overlook. Clothes should be spaced out to allow free airflow between them. This significantly speeds up the drying process. If I need a freshly washed item dried quickly, I use the burrito method. Lay a wet shirt on a towel, roll it up tightly, and press firmly from the center outward to absorb moisture. As shown in the video, leave the rolled towel for a few minutes, then unroll it. Next, I iron the shirt, starting on the inside and, if the fabric allows, on the outside. This helps evaporate the last traces of water. For collars or thick seams, I use a hairdryer for extra drying. By combining these 3 methods, my clothes are dry in less than 20 minutes, and I don't need a tumble dryer at home. Here's how to fix a broken drying rack rod. Fasten the damaged rod with a zip tie, leaving a little slack. Then loop a second zip tie through it and attach the rod back to the frame where it came loose. Tighten everything securely and trim the excess plastic. A quick, simple way to save your laundry rack. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash.
Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight.